Hey yo, so what's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. And you guys know that I just got a brand new puppy. He's a golden retriever and we named him Rio. I did not tell you guys in the previous video, I forgot, I'm sorry. But yeah, we named him Rio, R-I-O. And like you guys know, he's super cute. And today guys, by the title and thumbnail, you guys know we are giving him his first ever bath, and I'm really excited to see his reaction to first time taking a bath. And yeah, so without further ado, let's go and get started. And before that, go like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications so that whenever I come out with a video, you guys know it. सर से नीचे ही डालना, सर के ऊपर मत डालना। ना सर के, हाँ सर के ऊपर मत डालना। डॉक्टर ने सर के ऊपर मना किया।
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. When I'm with you, when I'm with you, when I'm with you, that I get when looking down from the
Rio treats. Oi hoi. Let's give him 2 treats. Sit. Sit. Down. Down, Rio, down. Down. Good boy. Up. Up. Spin. Sit. Sit. Hand. Hand. Now up. Hand. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. Good boy. Here. That's it. Down. Up. 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 Now hand. Give me a hand. Good boy. Good boy. Hey guys, so Rio is finally cleaned. He's all wiped. He's all dry. And bro, he was really good when we were bathing him. Like he did not even run. He did not run. He was not even, like, you can say, scared and all. He was sitting there silently, and like he was really good. And you guys can see he's actually right over here. He's sleeping right now because he's tired a little. He's a little tired from all that bath and all. And then you saw he was playing, and that was just the clip, or few minutes clip, but he was playing for a really long time. So yeah, we will let him sleep. And yeah guys, I'm gonna end the vlog right over there. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to everybody. And yeah, other than that, it's been Swam and I'm out. Peace.